She got home like oh, 5 minutes ago. It's my cat in the background, my kitty. His name is Tweak. I got these from my vet grandma. And this. Um, Bro, my little cousin is so annoying. Like, she's so loud. She kept like maybe I'm over exaggerating. Maybe I'm just over exaggerating a little bit. She did yell like a little bit, and she was like squealing. And I had some headphones on, and I had to charge my phone because it was at 5%, and I only realized that it was almost dead at like the last moment. So I brought my charger and hoped and prayed that it was the charger block at my great grandma's house. There was, but the cord wasn't the right one because um, both the ends of my phone charger are the same, and she had one that had this end on it, but she did end up having a charger that had that and there was one that would work with my phone, so I used that, and then my uncle was on his phone and having his headphones on and not like socializing at all, like he always does. And I was like, why does he need to be on his phone? Like, can you put it down for a minute to socialize? And my mom was like, why do you need your phone? Why do you think? I'm autistic. I need something to block out little kids yelling. I need to block out little kids yelling. Like, I don't have the same reasoning to be on my phone as him. Like, I don't want to ignore people. Like, I'm not trying to be in my own world. Like, you kidding me? I'm not like him. I don't do that stuff. But see, he drinks alcohol. I don't do that. You know, while I'm recording. No roots! Freaking love that song. I need scissors. No, I don't. I don't need scissors. I can't get this open. I need scissors. Oh, okay. I need a finger. Where's a cute bucket? Really? Why is one of his legs longer than the other? One of his legs is longer than the other. That looks so goofy. I gotta put these over. I got like this whole basket beside me as well. I just never thought my freaking wrapper of meat is that was on there. Wait, you see my cat? No, wait. She's the old man. He's 15. Hey, lady. Why did I say pretty lady? I have another cat named Brady, and I have another one named Rosie. Why are you drooling? He drools a lot. I'm gonna love that. He, stop, stop. He say bye.